Good morning, girls. Let's continue with the same topic that we were doing before. We are doing the lesson measures of length, mass, and capacity. And so far, we have been doing the conversion of higher unit to lower unit. And when we move from higher unit to lower unit, we go for multiplication, isn't it? And you also know about the sentence that we use for conversion. And what is that sentence? We say King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Isn't it? This is what we have been using. Before I go ahead, we have the letter B here, which I have used for basic. And when we say basic, it means we are talking about the standard unit, right? And remember the standard unit, when you say standard unit, the standard unit for length, what is the standard unit for length? It is meter. What is the standard unit for mass? The standard unit for mass is grams. And the standard unit for capacity, for the liquid things, it is liters. You are already aware of this, isn't it? Now, K, kilo. So, when you talk about meter, it is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. The units that are bigger than the basic unit, they are called as multiples. Isn't it? This is what I had taught to you. They are called as multiples. But the units which are smaller than the basic unit, they are called as submultiples. Submultiples. This is just a quick revision, children. So, now, K, I had told you that every letter that you have here has the value 10. Every letter that you have here has the value 10. This will help us in converting. Alright, and today we are going to go ahead with the conversions of capacity, units used in capacity. For example, if you have, let's say, let me go a little bit so that everything is visible to you, children. Suppose you are talking about 8 liters. 8 kiloliters. If I have to convert 8 kiloliters to liters, then what are we supposed to do? First step, let's quickly write down this sentence here. The first letter of every word. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Alright, where is this digit 8 sitting? It is sitting on kilo, right? So let's write 8 here. Now from here, where it has to go? It has to go to liter. And where is liter here? There is no liter mentioned over here, isn't it? But we know liter is the basic unit for capacity. So I will move from here and I will come and sit here. Alright? So now see, cover this letter K. How many zeros? Now 1, 2 and 3 zeros. Am I right? So either you write 10 children, whichever way you find it easy for you to remember, you can do it. So it is going to be 8 multiplied by 1000 liters. So what is your answer here finally? It is 8000 liters. Alright? Let's take the second example. And the second example is, it is 2 kiloliters. This was the first example. We are going for the second example now. It is 2 kiloliters and 350 liters. Then 50 liters. Children, and this has to be converted to liters. And children, here one thing which is very important for us. Remember, first try to understand the concept of this. What does 2 kilometer 350 liter means? It means 2 kiloliter plus 350 liter. This whole thing has to be converted to liter. You already know this 350 is already in liters. So I don't have to do anything with this 350. What change I have to make or bring about? It is in 2 kiloliters. Alright. So as usual, first write down. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now where is this digit 2 sitting? It is sitting on kilo. Right? So let's write it here. Kilo. And till where it has to go? It has to go till liter, which is the basic unit for capacity. So let's move from here. Let's come here. Cover this. How many zeros? 1, 2 and 3 zeros. Right? So how do I write it? Now we can write directly, children. You had enough practice already. Isn't it? So this is 2000 liters plus 350 liter. Am I right? So what do we do now? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, right? So just make 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because unnecessarily, why should I do the rough work and keep adding? Right? So I'll make my work little easier. My 4th digit is 2. So I will write on the 4th place. My 1, 2, 3. 3rd digit is 3. So I will write here. 2nd digit is 5. And last digit is this. And that's it. So we have 2350 liters. Alright children, let's take one more example. Now let's take the 3rd example. And what is the example? Let's write down here. We have 3 kiloliter. Then we have 6 hectoliter. 4 decaliter. 5 liter. This has to be converted to liter. Alright. And as I told you, to make our work easier, what do we have to do? 3 kiloliter plus 6 hectoliter plus 4 decaliter plus 5 liter. This should be written first. Okay. Now, this whole thing has to be converted to liters. Now, do you notice here this 5 is already in liters, right? It is already in liters. So, I don't have to do anything to this. But I do have to bring about the changes in kiloliter, hectoliter and decaliter. And how should I do that? Please observe this carefully. Let's write the sentence. I will write a little bigger here so that it's clearly understood. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Wow. Now, where is this 3 sitting? It is sitting on kilo. Am I right? So, let's write 3 on kiloliter. Alright? And where is this 6 sitting? It is sitting on hecto. Let's write all the things and then it will be easy for us. And where is this 4 sitting? Deca. And 5 is already at liters, isn't it? Now, what do we have to do? We have to convert this kiloliter to the basic unit, which is our liter, isn't it? So, how many zeros? 1, 2 and 3 zeros. Am I right? So, let's write it here. 3 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2 and 3. And what is the unit here? It is liters. Alright? Plus. Now, where is our beautiful 6 sitting? On hecto. Where it has to go? It has to go to the basic. Am I right? So, how many zeros now? 2 zeros. Am I right? So, let's write that. So, we have 6 followed by 2 zeros and this is our liter. Okay? Now, again we have a plus. Now next number that we have is 4. Where is 4 sitting? On deca. It has also got to go to the basic. So again, how many zeros? 1 0. So what do we do? 4 and then we have 1 0. 40 letters, and finally we have 5 letters. So now, do you notice everything has been converted into letters? Now, simple thing, this is the biggest number. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make the 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 will come on the 4th place. Where will 6 go? On the 3rd place. Where will 4 go? On the 2nd place. Where will 5 go? On the 1st place. And of course, don't forget the unit. That's very important. Letters. Alright children, so these are the 3 types of questions that we have in this particular section. I hope it is clear to you all. So this is what you are going to do today in your copy. Alright, so thank you and have a wonderful day.